Hello everyone, for this video tutorial, we are going to learn union. Union is used to unite or combination the separated or different bodies to become a body. On the design area, I have created a simple dining table. It was composed of many bodies. There is a top board and 4 legs. All these bodies are separated bodies. So we would like to union all these to become a single body. We are going to use a union to make them into a body. Before using the union, you have to make sure that all the bodies that will be applied are intersected. So first, I will union the legs of the table. Click to select leg 1, hold Shift key. Click to select another. Click More. Click Union. Click Done. The union isn't happening and it doesn't work because the legs are not intersected. Now I am going to union the top board and the 4 legs. Click Cancel. Click the fisheye to show top board. Click to select all the bodies of the dining table. Click Union. Before clicking Done, if you turn on this button, the original bodies will be kept. If you turn off, the bodies will be deleted. Click Done. The bodies are united. The original bodies are deleted. Click Undo to go backward. Click to select all the bodies. Click Union. Click to turn on. Click Done. This is the new one. Click to select it and drag the arrow to move it. These are the original bodies. They are remaining and separate bodies.